Hey, ladies and gentlemen, it's Friday's market wrap up here at Top Gun Options. Matthew Buckley, call sign Wiz. Hopefully, everybody had a blessed, great Thanksgiving. Sat around the table and you focused on what you were grateful for. Right, every day I try and practice some gratitude for waking up in the morning, having a roof over my head, a loving family, running water, food. Every day technically should be Thanksgiving, but since yesterday was Thanksgiving, what's today, man? It is Black Friday. Market hit all-time highs today. Look at that. S&P 500, 60.32, man. The Trump rally is engaged. Before I even get airborne, though, let's go. 2 days, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, whatever you want to call it, I will give you a 60% discount on the lifetime membership, folks. There's the counter. Here's the link. go.topgunoptions.com/Black-Friday-Lifetime. Folks, this is a $24,000 membership, which most people pay off in a month. But anyway, I'm going to slash it 60%, 10 grand. There's the clock. It expires. Not going to take any offers after this. It's going to go back up to the $24,000. And it's awesome because it's funny. People are like, man, I got it at the full price. And I don't care when you do your Black Friday special like this because I already paid mine off with a couple trades. So, and remember, men lie, numbers don't. What's this? This is the primary model portfolio. It's up nearly $220,000. Across our portfolios, we're looking at seven-figure gains. This is a portfolio, the primary portfolio, where I focus on a lot of my sniper shots. As you can see here, look at this, $206,000 just trading the S&P 500. We had some Chipotle in here for some nice 12 grand, a little Starbucks shots, and essentially flat on a Q's trade that I did a long time ago. But folks, look at that, 220 grand. If you could potentially make $220,000, would you invest 10? If you can't answer that question, I don't want you to do it because you're not a smart trader or a smart investor. This is an incredible call option, folks. This is a cheap call option. Take it. Go.topgunoptions.com/Black-Friday-Lifetime. When this page is down, it's over with, man. So let's do it right now. Hoping for a little peace on earth. But it's not looking so hot, man. It really does feel like Joe Biden, Kamala, the Democrats, the military-industrial complex is trying to ram everything through before the change of command in January and really push us to the brink of World War III. It's heartbreaking. White House pressing Ukraine to draft 18-year-olds so it has enough troops to battle Russia. I mean, it's devastating. You guys know me, man. I went from a knuckle-dragging, meat-eating, pro-war lunatic to a guy who wants peace. Now, don't get me wrong, man. I remember how to be violent. Somebody breaks in my house or invades my country. It's go time. Trust me. I know how to be violent. But peace. Why can't we have peace, man? Looks like in Israel and Hezbollah is trying to knock out some peace, which would be nice up in the north. They're still gunning for Hamas, though. China's still on our radar. Lot of danger in the world, folks, but hopefully change is coming here in about a month and a half. I'm telling you, folks, it is the Trump rally is engaged. I mean, just take a look at this picture. This is pretty funny. There's the election, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. I told you this was also a short squeeze. Yeah, a little bit of a relief rally. Trump won, blah, blah, blah. Relief, short squeeze ends. The average short squeeze takes about 3 to 5 days to unwind, and literally on day 6, we came right back to where I said we would. The 20-day moving average, we bounced, and we are ripping higher, folks. I've spoken to so many people. I've done my dinners and this. I've been swamped, man, and meeting a lot of people for the foundation. The fog has been lifted, man. Elon and Vivek with the Doge Department of Government, they're like, we're going to audit the IRS. I mean, there's just so much good going. All these empty buildings in Washington, D.C., because all these federal employees get to work from home. Those days are over with, man. So I can't wait for the bullishness in this country. I think Trump, the first time around, in order to write a new regulation, you had to take 2 or 3 off the books or something like that. It was incredible. So change is coming, and it's bullish. People on Wall Street love it. Small business owners love it. So I am extremely bullish on the next 4 years. Now, don't get me wrong. I think Trump's going to be handed some cooked books. The BLS used to stand for the Bureau of Labor Statistics. It now stands for Biden Labor Statistics. They've been blowing smoke up our ass for the past 2 years, folks, that everything's great and inflation's beat and unemployment's strong and everything's awful. Whereas you and me and average Americans have been looking at milk and eggs and filling our cars and like, who? Maybe I'm the only one that's like, everything's really shitty for. So bookmark this video, folks. January, February, March, after Trump's inaugurated, I'm pretty damn sure. I think the BLS, like 100 economists at the BLS, like 98% of them donated to Kamala Harris. Guess what's going to happen? You're going to start seeing some bad macroeconomic data. But what does that mean? Right? That means Jerome Powell, folks, is going to have to cut rates even more, isn't he? So Jerome, the Fed's not political. In front of the election, Jerome Powell cut 50 basis points. We're not political, but right in front of the election, we're going to cut 50 basis points. Why are you cutting 50 basis points, Mr. Powell, when the president, the vice president, you, everybody in Washington is telling America how great everything is? The economy's great, inflation's beat. Unless you were lying to us. So if things start looking crappy under Trump, because they actually were, Jerome's going to have to act even harder, right? So that's the only, I'm kind of hedging my bets a little bit when I say, hey, it's going to be a great next 4 years. He's going to get hit. First of all, there's business cycles, folks. Businesses go up, businesses go down, markets go up, markets go down. He's going to get hit with some sort of bear market or something. I get it. But again, as an options trader, guess what? We can make money potentially, whether the market's going up, down, or sideways. That's the magic of being an options trader, and that's what we do here at TOPGUN Options. And we've been, and I love this headline from today. I did a solo Amazon Black Friday brief this morning. Buy now before tariffs hit, retailers are telling shoppers. So Amazon, our Amazon portfolio is up $136,000 this year. One stock, ladies and gentlemen. So Amazon, make sure 60% discount on your lifetime. You're obviously going to get access to solo Amazon. We have been printing money in our Amazon, our solo Amazon year to date. Like I said, 136. Amazon is getting ready to go on a run, folks. Usually November, December, it's got that Santa Claus rally. We level in January, waiting for Q4 earnings, and then we kind of bounce around in what I call the February shit show. Usually Sept-Oct, the middle of September to middle October, you could call a month. That's usually the most volatile month of the year, followed by February. So that's usually the thing, and we're gonna trade it. We put on a bullish double vertical on Amazon. Where is it? I got some great testimonials here. Where is it? I learned more in 15 minutes from you than reading books for years. Was that it? No, it was Amazon. It was somebody in our one of our Amazon briefs the other day. He's like, hey man, I made 1,900% in like a week. Where is it? Well, I don't know. I should have my stuff together before I jump on the air here. No, whatever. It's in here somewhere. One more chance. Yep, those are pretty good returns. Anyway, you get what I'm saying, folks. Amazon is getting ready to get on its horse and gallop higher. You want to be in our solo Amazon service, and you can do that with our lifetime. So again, hey man, you got 2 days, two days, 8 hours, 38 minutes, 38 seconds, folks. Go to topgunoptions.com/Black-Friday-Lifetime. 60% discount, folks. This is a $24,000 value. When you stack up everything and put it over a year, it's 24 grand. Getting it for 10. Again, my marketing team's like, let's do something crazier for Black Friday. I'm like, yeesh, okay. All right, so there you go. There's our crazy for Black Friday. All right, I got to get going. How about Coach Prime in Colorado, man? Stomping all over Oklahoma State. Travis Hunter, a lock for the Heisman. Interception, 2 touchdowns. Now I'm going to go watch my Panthers beat up on the Hurricanes. Great stuff going on. Again, hopefully everybody had a great Thanksgiving. Could not be more grateful for you, for this country, and everything that's going to happen in the next 4 years. And hopefully peace on earth. Have a great rest of your day. Happy hunting. Make sure you're hedged. Fights on. Namaste and Basi Basi. Whiz out.